If we learned anything about lightning, you do not want to be struck by one. From 2006 to 2019, there have been about 400 lightning fatalities. According to the National Weather Service, many of these deaths could have been prevented. 40 of the 400 victims were killed while fishing. 20 of the deaths were camping related, and 17 victims were out on their bikes, motorcycles, or ATVs. What do all of these examples have in common? They were all outdoors. Despite the danger posed to them, people continued to work or spend time outdoors. They might have not even realized they were in danger until it was too late. That's why National Lightning Safety Awareness Week was established in 2001. The last week of June is dedicated to educating people about lightning, how to stay safe, and how they can learn from past incidents. Fortunately, the average number of lightning fatalities annually is decreasing. From 1991 to 2001, the average fatality rate was 54. That number has just recently been cut in half to 27. The National Weather Service says the biggest takeaway to protect yourself from lightning is when thunder roars, go indoors. For AccuWeather, I'm Eric Austin.